Hi guys, well it finally came. This is the MyHeritage DNA testing kit. I've wanted one of these for a few years, and the other day they were cheaper online from Amazon, so I ordered one. It cost me, I think it's €49. Normally they're a lot more than that, but I've actually just got it. So I'm going to read through with you what we do, and I will do the test now. So you open it up. And it's a lovely box. It's a really nice box, that. And it says MyHeritage DNA instructions. So the first thing you do is activate your kit online. Do not skip this step. It's necessary to get your DNA, your results. So I'll do that a little bit later. Open up the test kit. So you get in here, you get an envelope, which is to send it back to Houston in Texas, and then you get the DNA kit reminder, and on the other side is the barcode and the number of what the DNA kit is, which my one will be. So that's for a bit later. And then you get in it this Ziploc bag that says biohazard on it, and some type of gauze there, maybe to, I don't know about that, but I have to read what that's for. And then you get 2 vials here with a special number on the side, which are yours. You have to do both of them. And then you get 2 swabs too. So the swabs, it's got a black end there. So I guess, yeah, you will put this side in your mouth. You have 2 of those. No, it's not for 2 different people. It's for, I don't know, you've got to do it twice. So let's have a little look what you have to do. I'm going to put the light on. Okay, so it says, open the test kit and lay out the unopened swabs and vials on a clean surface. Oh, okay. Well, that is clean there, but still, I'll put a bit of tissue down. Okay, that can go out the way. So, let's have a look. It is clean, but anyway, I did disinfect everything, but we'll do it again anyway. So, then it says, remove one cheek swab from its wrapper and use the swab head to scrape the inside of one of your cheeks while rotating the swab for 30 to 60 seconds. Does it say about the black bit? Okay, so I got these. I got these. Okay. So just open one of these. Can't cock it up. I can't mess it up. Anyway. So I got this one, and I open one vial and insert. Okay, so I've got to do this bit first. So I'm going to first time it on my watch that it's the right amount of time. So just opening this, and I'm just going to go round my cheek with this. Okay. I've always wanted to do this. Ha! It's like being at a dentist. You know, you can't talk properly. That's 20 seconds so far. Anyway, how are you all doing? There's some more Brompton videos coming soon. Oh, okay. 40 seconds. It makes a bit of spit, doesn't it? Oh my goodness me. Okay. That's 50 seconds. Nearly done. I think that's enough. That's a minute. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to take one of these vials and open it. And then put in that. And we're supposed to break it off here. Ooh! Be careful with that when you do that. And then it goes this way. So I've done one. I'm just going to do the other one, and then you pop it into the bag here, and we send it away to Houston, Texas, and then you'll get your message back about where you're from and all that type of stuff in 4 to 6 weeks. So let's see what happens. I'm really really excited. What do you think where I'm from? I think, personally, I'm probably from just England and Scotland, because my granddad was Scottish. So I think probably there, but I'm not too sure. But we'll have to see, hey? Let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and catch me up in the next one when I get the results. Yay!